Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2 to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, watch that video. Now let's move to adding this device to the application. Firstly we need to pair it, so open settings and go to the Bluetooth. Now open the charging case, and right here we have this connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts blinking. And we just enter to pairing mode, so now we can pair it with the phone. Tap on it, and if you have Android, click pair. Now you can hide the settings and open Nothing X application. Click Add Device, and as you can see, it automatically finds it, so just click Connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!